this week we're talking about everybody's favourite, the cod, and what we're going to do with it to create a great dish, not just your fish and chips. Here we have everybody's favourite, the humble cod. We're not just going to cook it with some chips, some mushy peas, it's going to be a bit boring, so we're going to cook it in a French style pappiotte. So to me and you, cooked in paper. So for this dish we've got the cod fillet. We're going to infuse the flavour in there with some fennel, bit of butter, white wine, lemon juice. Start with, we get the pan nice and hot. A bit of oil in there. Fennel goes in. Whilst that's cooking away, we'll take the cod, take the skin off. We have skin, make a nice little belt for someone if you want it. Then we're going to cut that into two. That's ready to go. A bit of white wine in there. Just want that softened up nicely. You want that aniseed flavour to be infused in the fish. So when we seal it into that bag, we cook it in the bag. When we bring it out, you open it up and you release those flavours. A little bit of lemon juice in there. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Okay, start bringing this dish together. Fennel. Fennel on the bottom. Get the cod, give that a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of butter on the top. Squeeze the lemon juice. And we want to seal this up into a parcel. Starting from the middle. Fold one way and work your way, fold back the other way. So you want to seal it so nothing escapes, so all those flavours are in there into the fish. Now you have your little parcel, pop that in the oven for 12 minutes. Taking the cod out of the oven, straight on the plate like this, and as we open it up, oh, the smell, incredible. Oh, the flavour of the fennel coming through, delicious. See you next time, Weddle TV.